Welcome back to my shed, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I make my burning gel. All I use is a heat gun and this gel recipe to do my design. So hopefully you will stick around and I'll show you how I did this. There's a few things you need for this. You're going to need a thickener agent. I'm using Thick and Easy. The chemical in it is ammonium chloride. You're going to need some water, some food colouring, a jar to put it all in, measuring cup, a spoon. First of all, we're going to start with the thicknesser. That is 60 ml. We've got the thickener in there now. Next, what we'll do is the ammonium chloride. We only need 15 ml for this one. Normally, you wouldn't want to cross-contaminate scoops, but because this is all I'm ever using this process for, is the thickener and this scoop and cup, that it doesn't matter. But obviously, you want to make sure everything's clean and try and keep to only using certain scoops and stuff for certain processes. So we want 15 ml this one. That is 15 there. Next is 100 ml of water. So this cup will do 50. So we'll do 2 cups of that. So this is just standard tap water, nothing special. You can add more, you can add less water if needed. Some people might prefer a thinner mixture. Some people might prefer thicker mixture. It's a bit more of a guideline, but then that's that in there. And you're going to want to be a little bit of food colouring, just so it makes it a bit more easier to see on the thing. All I had to hand was red when I started this, so that's what I'm kind of using. You don't need much. This is the gel stuff, so you really don't need much at all. There we go, that's all we needed, just a little bit. Now that's all there, we're now going to want to mix it up. I just grabbed a bit of wood. In the meantime, while I go and get the stencil made, I will get this sanded up to 240, so it should be a nice smooth finish, and chop down to size. There you go. What do you think? So all it takes is a few ingredients: heat gun, wood, and whatever your stencil is. Obviously, my stencil was I used a cricut to do my stencil, but you can buy stencils online, or you could do a design in any old way. Just wanted to show how easy it is. I'm going to be using this process in a couple of my upcoming videos. So I wanted to personalize them because I didn't have a CNC machine or a laser or anything like that. I wanted to be able to personalize stuff without having that added cost, and this is I think this is the way to go. It's very cheap. Everything wasn't that expensive. The shelf life of this is about 2 months. So obviously you only mix up what you need. I probably mixed up a bit too much here. I probably won't use all of that in that time. This is quite a simple design, but as you can see, I've done, as I saw earlier, I did my logo, and that's got a lot of small. That took me ages. That did, to peel off all the little bits in between. So that did take a long time to do. It came out very well. I'm just annoyed I didn't tape off the whole wood like you saw me do on this one. That's why there's a couple of lines and stuff on it, just because of that small slip up. But again, this is only a trying around, so yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. I will be using this on some of my upcoming videos, so I hope you subscribe and stay tuned for them when they come out. Should be a lot of fun, and there'll be a lot more smaller text and stuff and some stuff I'm doing, so you'll see it in more action then. And yeah, if you've got any questions, shoot them down in the comments. I will be happy to help them where I can. and thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.